Now this is a trip that I've been waiting years for, to celebrate my friend Casper's 21st birthday. Due to his family tradition, each of the cousins take a group of friends for a week out to their house in the south of Spain. So here it is, 7 boys for 7 days at Casa Rosa. Right, I need to mention something. Casper's actually built his own go-kart.
So what do you mean? Did that look like a bit of a complicated manoeuvre, that?
Yeah, that looked quite cool.
Oh.
Chain came off. I was pretty badly made,
Pretty well made.
Yeah, like it is. Is it completely broken then?
No. I need like a spanner or something.
For one of our final days, we headed into the mountains to catch a sunset.
Oh my god. Mate, I think you're gonna have to go all the way down, unless it's going up there.
Turn around up there. You just fuck yourself. I'd stop. I won't go going down that.
This is not a good
Too
sign.
prematurely.
Oh my god, mate. You need to speak Spanish to this dude.
What do you want me to say?
You just need to be like,
Can we say, can we park
just be like, can we park here for like half an hour? Wait, give me the camera so you're not filming him.
Basically, we need to go back down there and park where the turning is.
Oh, this is a good spot.
This is packed.
Yeah, but he was just saying that he's going to close the skate in like 40 minutes.
Lock it.
Yeah.
7 missions.
Oh, mate, this is a fucking mission.
Let's have a beer. Beer break. Beer break.
No, we got to go for a bit.
So much PMA right now.
Yeah, mate.
Positive mental attitude.
Yes!
Yes, I'm loving this. Fucking love hills.
Who wants to go literally all the way to the top?
We're like up there. I'm not risking my life.
Tell you what, that was sick. That was unreal. Unreal.
So just at the point when we thought everything had gone great, we suddenly spot dogs that didn't really seem too friendly in the direction we were heading.
I'll protect you.
How do we know they're loose?
Mate, I saw them. I saw two just down here by the green thing.
Imagine they're like the little cutest dogs.
No, they're not. They're not. I'm actually getting pretty pumped. Like, the dog's hungry on the up.
Oh, now we're blocked in.
Oh shit, the dog's coming. Oh shit, they're coming.
No, they're not. What the fuck? Is that literally like a pack of dogs?
Yeah, mate, they're goats, mate. I think they're dogs.
Mate, they sound like they're
Mate.
That sound like they're getting closer.
Wait, hurry up.
Come on, bro.
Get over the fucking fence.
I kind of want them to come now.
I want them to be like up against the fence.
That was insane.
So worth coming. I love the little mission to get that stack as well.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the cinematic shot of just Oscar cruising back down. Awesome.
Happy 21st birthday, Casper. Cheers for the week. You'll definitely be one to remember.
Geezer, bring it in.
Thank you very much, send me the address for who I should send you thank you. Oh yeah, no, I'll smash that. Thank you very much. Thank you boys.
Get out of here.
This is it. I mean, that's a bit of a piss take taken out. Right, boys. Thank you very much for everything.
Oh.
I'll phone Glasgow then.